I want to introduce you to an amazing artist. She is a contemporary or an artist who's still working and painting today, probably sitting in her studio and getting ready to create just like you. Her name is Heather Galler. She's considered a folk artist, and these are just a few of her beautiful, bright, cheery, and colorful paintings. Inspired by her today, we are going to create our own magnificent masterpiece of a hot cup of chocolate. Let's talk first about this form. This form right here is called a cylinder. A cylinder, when you look at it from the top and the bottom, you see a shape. And I know you know what it is. It's a circle. But look at it here. From this perspective or point of view, it's not a circle, but an oval. What we're going to try to do is show that this is a form that is three-dimensional. It is.
To start, write your name and class code on the back of your paper with a pencil. Then let's begin drawing. In the video, I will be drawing with a thick Sharpie, which you will use to outline later, but you should draw yours with a pencil first, just in case you need to erase anything. On your paper, you will have a long oval shape that is also called an ellipse. This will be for the top edges of the cup. Next, draw a letter U shape coming from the corners of the ellipse to make the shape of the cup. Then draw a base for your cup to sit on. I am using two little diagonal lines for the sides and then connecting it with a slightly curved horizontal line. After, draw a horizon line on your paper that looks like it is behind the cup. The horizon line is the line that separates the table the cup is sitting on with the wall behind it. Then draw a long, skinny oval shape for the plate that the cup is sitting on. You can decide to draw a handle on your cup or not. It's up to you because you are the artist. Next, draw curvy lines coming from the top of the cup to show that your hot cocoa is hot. I am drawing mine as shapes by drawing two lines to show the sides of the shape. You should draw about 3 or 4 steam shapes. I am adding some lines inside my steam shapes to show movement. You can also draw details inside your hot cocoa mug, like marshmallows or whipped cream. Think about your perfect cup of hot cocoa and draw that. Once you finish drawing with pencil, then outline everything with Sharpie. Use the thick Sharpie for the cup, plate, and the horizon line, and the regular size Sharpie for the steam shapes and any details you drew inside your hot cocoa cup. Once you outline, you can erase any extra pencil lines to make your artwork look neater. After outlining, our next step is adding patterns like Heather Galler using oil pastels. Remember that a pattern in art is a repeated line or shape. For my cup, I am drawing some bumpy lines and coloring in some parts of the cup. We will be painting with watercolors later, so I don't want to color the entire cup in because I need to have some space for my paint to go. Think of different patterns that you can draw on the cup, the plate, the tabletop, and the wall behind your hot cocoa. We want each part of our artwork to stand out with different patterns, so make each one unique. For my plate, I am using some different angled lines to create a design using a variety of blue and green colors. For the wall behind my hot cocoa, I chose to use spirals in blue and purple. Notice how some of my spirals are cropped off the page, so it looks like the pattern continues beyond the edge of my paper. Then for my tabletop pattern, I chose to use different sized dots in shades of orange and red. I hope you have fun starting your hot cocoa project inspired by the artist Heather Galler. I can't wait to see how yours turns out.